Have you ever wondered what it would be like to converse with a machine? Would it be a cold, robotic interaction, or could it be as engaging as a chat with a close friend? Well, welcome to a world where artificial intelligence, AI, has blurred the line between human and machine communication. Today, we delve into the fascinating realm of ChatGPT, an AI developed by OpenAI that can mimic human like text based conversations. First on our list is the intriguing use of ChatGPT as an interviewer. Imagine a scenario where you are preparing for a job interview. How do you practice? Typically, you might rehearse in front of a mirror or ask a friend to play the role of an interviewer. But what if you could use an AI model to help you prepare? By using ChatGPT, you can simulate an interview scenario. Simply start by typing a job interview prompt such as interview me for a project manager position. The AI in its unique style will come up with relevant questions, helping you prepare for a real lifetime interview. Remember, but the more specific your prompt, the better the AI can assist you. Next, we look at how ChatGPT can help with the time management. We all have days when our to-do list seems like a never-ending monster. Why not ask ChatGPT for some advice? Start a conversation with "Give me time management tips." The ChatGPT will provide strategies and suggestions just like a personal coach would. And the best part, it's available 24/7, ready to assist whenever you need it. Now let's explore the creative side of ChatGPT. This tool is not just for practical uses, it can also be a playground for your imagination. Want to write a story but struggling with writer's block? No worries. Just start a conversation with a prompt like write a story about a dragon and a knight. In no time, you will see ChatGPT weave an engaging tale, sparking your own creativity in the process. Finally, we delve into a fun aspect of ChatGPT, the AI checker. Ever heard a tech myth that you are not sure about? ChatGPT can help. Type "Is it true?" The followed by the myth or question. ChatGPT will provide a response based on its training data, helping debunk myths or confirm truths. To summarize, ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It can be your interviewer, your time management coach, your creative companion, and your tech myth buster. It's an AI that's sophisticated, witty, and capable of engaging in meaningful conversations. The key to using ChatGPT effectively lies in being specific with your prompts and open to the responses it provides. Remember, it's a tool that's designed to assist, inspire, and engage. So why not give it a try?